right, here it is, cloves and ginger. That's 2 ingredients we're gonna work with tonight. A bit more water, roughly 1 cup of water. That looking good. A few cloves of garlic into the water. No, not garlic, cloves into the water. All right, just a few. Okay guys, I'm using a large cup, so I'm gonna put more in mine. Yeah, 1 teaspoon that. So we got a piece of ginger. Grate it like this. Yeah, no sense, good ginger. Look at the color. Color of the ginger is perfect. So we just like give it a mix. Look at that. Nice, lovely cup of tea. Bless up yourself, ears is in. What go on?